September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you an unboxing. Yes, you heard me, an unboxing. I am the lucky winner of a blessed home with Kimberly Davis 25K gift. Yes, she announced her giveaway winner a week ago, and I was the winner. Here is my box, and I wanted to share with you my items. This is a laundry set by Better Homes and Garden, and I will leave the link to her channel as well as the video if you did not see it, and if you're not yet familiar with Kimberly Davis, she has an amazing channel. I have been watching Kimberly for several years, and I just love the content that she creates. So I'm excited. I may be all over the place, but it's just my excitement. So we're going to get into this box and check out what she sent me for being the winner of her giveaway. All right, guys, let's get into this box. Right, we have a card. It says, congrats on winning my 25K subscriber giveaway. Hope you enjoy your prize. Be blessed, Kimberly Davis. Very beautiful, handwritten, and very personal. All right. Our first item is this laundry bag. It comes with 2 handles and a rubber grip for the comfort while carrying the laundry bag. It's very deep inside. The next item is this caddy. It says fresh and clean. It is a laundry caddy. As I said, these items are from Better Homes and Garden. It has a divider. The next item is a laundry detergent holder. I also see that it's a scoop. That you can place on the side. And then inside of this is another laundry detergent holder. But on this one, it has your laundry care. And it's basically sharing with you the different logos that you may see on some of your laundry items, and it's just explaining to you what they mean. And on this one, the lid stays on. It's just a flip lid. And this lid on this one is removable. This is the large laundry detergent holder, and this is the smaller laundry detergent holder. And Kimberly purchased these items from Walmart. So if I can find the link to these items on Walmart.com, I will put them down below in the description box, as well as Kimberly's channel. Also, I will add the links to her 25K giveaway video. So just in case you want to see it or have not seen it. And she is sharing with you all her beautiful laundry room area. Thank you all for stopping by and checking out my giveaway prize. And thank you, Kimberly, for giving your subscribers an opportunity to win a gift from you on your 25K. I'm wishing you continuous success on your new level here on YouTube. Thank you all. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. Bye-bye.